when I think about the reasons why there's this mismatch between the kinds of ways that that venture capital investment in FinTech is going into it and the reasons that it's not necessarily a high percentage of that focused on solving those critical challenges that I talked about earlier, I have 5 basic reasons that are my own hypotheses right now. One I think is the funding model, and it's not a funding model that's any different than any kind of other sector investment, venture capital type of thing, but it is the case that because of the ways that the US is very different than other places where FinTech has been happening, there's a lot of high net worth people in this country, and there's a lot of ways to make money off of serving high net worth people. And if you have impatient capital and you need a return and an exit model from that business, very quickly, you're going to focus. I can't tell you how many firms have come to us saying, we really care about everybody, but of course, just know that, we want to be at your table, we want to talk about this, but for the first 5 years, we're only allowed to serve people with $300,000 or more in their bank. So we're going to get downstream eventually, but we really can't. Our hands are tied. So there's a way that the financing of this work in many of the ways is, and I think we can push back on that. I think some of that's changing, but I think there's a real education effort and an engagement, not just with people who want to solve problems, but people who are investing in solving those problems.